Hey everyone, once again it's Brennan the Paleo Dude. I'm back with another Jurassic World Mattel figure unboxing video, and today we'll be taking a look at the Herrerasaurus and the Dimorphodon Wild Pack figures. I picked these guys up at Toys R Us here in Alberta, and they're really neat. I'm loving the Herrerasaurus colors. It's got this nice gray and a lighter gray down the back, and then this kind of light orangey, dulled down, maybe a bit peachy color on the jaw and the eye to really make that pop. They painted the eye fully, which is really nice, and the whole figure in general, I'm glad that they made it this way, as I was really missing the Herrerasauruses in the lineup. They're some of my favorite of this kind of assortment. Now, the Dimorphodon, it's packaged as Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Dino Escape, unlike the Herrerasaurus, which is just Jurassic World. So this guy is from the Camp Cretaceous lineup, so I guess it's meant to be like the ones in the show. I don't remember if they specifically look like this with that cool tail pattern, but I think this is one of the first Dimorphodons to have a tail pattern like that, and I'm really digging it. I love that they put paint on there to make it pop. Those kind of lines, arrow-like lines, give it more of like a classic, I don't know, like plain vibe, you know? And I'm digging the spray brush kind of style on the wings, how they kind of just taper off into the brown in a nice gradient transition. That's really nice. You can see that they kept the dark parts on the actual wing structure where the arm is, and the face, the eye, all of that paint is phenomenal. It's got some kind of reddish colors in there, and then the kind of dirty orange looks kind of like a mask. And the bottom jaw is a different color, the teeth are painted, the tongue's painted. Oh, we got big wind, so I'm just going to put these guys down like that. So that's really nice, especially compared to the original. So we're going to take a look at that in just a sec. I'll pop open the Dimorphodon. The back came off easy. So let's grab the scan code before I forget. There's a scan code. I mean, if you guys don't get these, don't worry, they'll be in a scan code video later on, now that I have the whole line unboxed. So the legs are rubbery, they move in unison. The tail, of course, is bendy. You can see the paint app on the tail is really nice. There's no paint on the back of the wings, but oh my goodness, they put paint on the back. I love the lines on the back. Look at that. They tried to get them on each bump on the going down the spine, but that's super cool. Oh, see how cool that is? Look at that. Paint on the back is a really nice feature, and then they've also got a nice amount of paint on the front as well. This is probably one of the best painted Dimorphodon figures so far. It just feels so natural, yet they tied in this vibrant sort of line style going on with it. That could be perfect for photography. So anyways, yeah, it's got the jaw, it's got the head that looks all around. It's one of the more articulated figures of this lineup, which is phenomenal. They just did a great job with the sculpt back in the first figure lineup. So we'll compare it to the original. You can see the original has a little bit of red paint on the wings. The back just has a dark brush, kind of to simulate the hair, I guess. And then the head, they just gave it that highlight for the eye, and then no paint on the bottom jaw. Both of them don't have painted upper inside jaws, but whatever. So that's super cool, like the progression that we got from the first wave till now. And we'll take a look at the Herrerasaurus now. So I actually got two of these because there's an eyeball variant, there's an orange eye, and a yellow eye. So I decided, hey, why not? I've got the money, might as well get some more. And a friend of mine in Washington, in the States, picked me up these guys too. So I'm gonna have a big pack of Herrerasaurus, perfect for photography. So you can see there's the orange eye variant. I looked online, and apparently they come either or. They come orange or they come yellow. So this one has a more orangey eye compared to the other one. There we go on both sides. You can see the inside of the mouth, very wide gaping jaws and a long narrow snout. You can see compared to the original has a really neat slit eye, and this one's got a dot eye, which is interesting. The teeth are a little bit more yellow on this one. This one's got white teeth, the original. You can see they gave the bottom part of the neck here the same paint as the jaw, so that's good that they tapered that down. So let's grab the scan code as well. There you guys go. And they even included paint on the tail, which they did not include on the original. So loving that. Love the paint app going down to the tail. Always good on those figures. And the little bumps on the back and the neck too. Those are cute. Staple part of it. But yeah, so let's take a look at the yellow-eyed figure. So it's cool that Mattel, I don't know if this is like an intentional color variant or not. You can see this one's got yellow eyes. Some could say, oh, maybe it's the paint on this bleeding into the eye or whatever, but it seems too weird that the stock photos also include orange and yellow eye variants, as well as both eyes on here are the same color. You'd think maybe just one would be misprinted, but no, there's definitely two color variants to these guys. So depending which ones you guys pick up, I'm sure they've just got them intermixed, because I found these two kind of in the same lot, which is super cool. Loving that. And they also did that, I think, with the Camp Cretaceous tiger raptors, with the stripes being slightly darker and slightly lighter. So that's super cool. Anyways, so these figures are a great assortment. Loving the mix of vibrant yet dull colors and the new species in the Wild Pack lineup. So here's the whole lineup as a whole. Gosh, that's super cool. Fun. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing video, and if you want to see more, definitely consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.